Hi there, it's Christina from Emotion Designs. Just want to give you a quick little overview of this new pink press that we have. We have these in 15 by 15 and 16 by 20. They are in stock now, but I just want to show you a couple of the features on it that I really like. Just going to do a little walk around here. Okay, first thing I want to show you is the control panel. It's all really self-explanatory. So you have your temperature, so you just press it once. Oops, I have to have it opened. Let's do that again. Okay, so the temperature, you just press it, and then you press it again to set it. Okay, and then your time, and then you press it again to set it. For Celsius and Fahrenheit, you just press this button and it will change it for you. So you don't have to do anything weird with it. It's just really basic and really simple. So that's the control panel. This shows you that it's heating, and once it gets to temperature and you're pressing, you will see that little temperature icon there it'll show up just to keep your heat at the proper temperature. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is this is the pull-out on this press. The pull-out is on actual rails instead of on tubes like most of them. So I really liked that part of it. It's a very smooth action. So, and look at how far this thing pulls out. I really like that part about it as well, because you're never going to burn yourself. Okay, so push that back in. Another thing I really like is I like how easy it is to open and close. This is your pressure knob, so you would turn it either way depending on what you want. But when you open it, it's not auto open, but it's very easy to pull open. You just have to lift that, and it's got a little hydraulic thing in there, so I can show you. So those are the things that I really like about the press. This does have a floating platen, so you can see it wiggles. That's going to make sure that you have even pressure. So I just want to show you again. I'll close it. And it comes with the blue rubber pad. So that is pretty much it. It also looks great, so it matches the new tumbler presses that we just got in as well. So if you're looking for a new setup, this would be ideal. This one is a 16 by 20 that I'm showing you. But yeah, if you have any questions at all, just shoot us a message and we'll be happy to answer them. Thanks so much.